Firstly, start by laying the base down on a nice flat surface. Next up, take one of the side frames and place on the end of the base. Use your fingers to get the frame flush each side, checking against the decking. Using the 80mm structural screws provided, fix the side frame to the base, screwing through the pre-drilled holes in the bottom piece of timber. Use 2 screws on each side. Repeat this process for the other side frame. Now we are going to take the back of the log store and place so that the decking is sitting on the base of the log store. Line this up by checking the 4x2 timber of the back is sitting flush with the end of the 4x2 on the side frame. Then using structural screws, fix the bottom piece through the pre-drilled holes. Now moving on to the top piece of 4x2, we want to get the side frames level with the end of the 4x2 of the side frames again. This may mean sometimes pulling it out or pushing it in, then screwing. Now we are going to take the front closure and line it up so that it's sitting flush with the uprights on the side frame and against the L brackets provided. Secure this in place using the 40mm screws provided. Next step is the roof. Place the roof on the log store so that the 2x2 cleat on the roof sits level with the front piece of decking on the side frame. Secure into place using the 80mm structural screws. Grab your decorative diagonals and place the bottom angle on the side frame and slide up to the front closure. Using the 65mm decking screws provided to fix the diagonal via the pre-drilled holes. There is also 2 pre-drilled holes each side of the roof for the screws to go into. Here you have completed your log store.